This is Ian Lamont, founder of In 30 Minutes Guides. I'm going to show you a really cool Kindle hack that lets you send a PDF to your Kindle device. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video, and let's get started. So what you want to do is log into the desktop version of Amazon.com, go to Accounts and Lists, and then go to Account. You'll come to this page, scroll down until you see Content Library. And then on this particular page, look for the link that says Preferences. Scroll down to where it says Personal Document Settings and click on that. So this is kind of like a hidden little feature of your Kindle. Once you've purchased a Kindle and activated it and attached it to your account, you should see a list of the Kindles plus other devices with the Kindle app and then an email address associated with it. And basically what I can do with this email address is I can email an attachment, like a PDF as an attachment to this particular email address from one of my approved email addresses. And you can approve the email addresses by looking below the link where it says Personal Document Archiving. So when I send an email from one of my approved email addresses to this address, the PDF will basically be loaded onto the Kindle, assuming that, of course, the PDF is not a gigantic, huge file that's bigger than what the Kindle can hold. But I've done it before with my Kindle Paperwhite and other devices. Of course, for smaller screen Kindles, it doesn't look super, but at least you can see the PDF. And maybe if you need to read your Kindle, like while you're on the road or something like that, and read a PDF while you're on the road, it's a great tool for doing that. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it or subscribe on YouTube. And for more information, check the links in the show notes. Thank you so much for watching.